Simple facts about fertigation on golf courses, sports fields, and landscapes. Managing golf courses and sports fields is labor-intensive, and labor is your most expensive cost. Fertigation is automatic fertilizing through the irrigation, like greenhouse hydroponics, making water rich with fertilizer to feed the grass lightly every time you irrigate. It's like having a fertilizer robot fertilizing lightly every time you irrigate. This type of light close-interval feeding is more efficient than broadcasting dry fertilizer or spraying heavy amounts of fertilizer as monthly or quarterly. The fertigation pump rate is adjustable 20 parts per million to over 200 parts per million, and some fertigation systems have 2 or more pump heads to inject several liquid products simultaneously at different rates. You can blend 2 different fertilizers with 2 pump heads and also inject a wetting agent. You have accuracy and control to prescription blend. Fertigation can be started and stopped by a timer coordinated with the irrigation time. However, most fertigation systems are controlled by a flow sensor in the irrigation line. The flow sensor controls the fertigation when irrigation is running and adjusts the injection rate based on water flow to maintain the correct parts per million rate on any zone by the water flow rate. This makes fertigation very consistent and accurate. Fertigation on a golf course can be a great advantage with the automation. Golf courses have high-tech automatic irrigation systems, and adding fertigation to that irrigation gives the superintendent great advantages and control. He can fertigate a low-cost base nitrogen fertilizer blend, like UAN32, very lightly with every irrigation on the entire course, and then focus his special fertilizers by spraying on his greens, which are less than 2% of the course area. UAN32 is the cheapest nitrogen, and you can get it for about $10 per gallon anywhere in America. That enables the superintendent to automatically fertilize the course with fertigation and spend most of his time on the greens, most important 2% of the course. The greens will get a light rate from fertigation, and he can spray or broadcast his special blend on the greens. On a sports field, fertigation do much the same. Labor is the most expensive cost, so automate fertilizing and take the man off the fertilizer spreader or sprayer and have him do maintenance that is important, like proper mowing, edging and other visual qualities. Fertigation can recover damaged areas like gullmouths and areas damaged by play, by irrigating the zone with the damaged area twice daily with fertigation water. It will recover fast without labor or extra fertilizer. Fertigation will grow great sports fields that are thick, dense, and safer to play on, and every team will want to play tournaments on your fields, which will make the managers happy, bringing in my money. Thick dense grass will force the weeds out of the grass, which will reduce labor and chemical use, and you can add humate and other organic carbon to the fertilizer, which will release phosphorus and other elements tied up in the soil and get free phosphorus. That will also grow the soil health and grow better and deeper roots, which will make the grass more efficient using less water. Remember, water doesn't make the grass green and grow. It is important, but fertilizer makes the grass green and grow. So, you can reduce water use up to 50% as the grass and soil get stronger and healthier. Fertigation is a great tool to add to any irrigation system, and whether it's a low-cost easy-flow tank fertigation unit for your home yard or a complex hydroponic greenhouse fertigation system, the technology works and it grows great plants and grass more efficiently. Turf Feeding Systems is the fertigation leader for golf, sports fields, and landscapes. We offer a fertigation system for any area or application. We have over 40 years of experience across America and around the world. Call your MCI Flowtronex sales representative to get a quote. Call us today and start growing great grass with less water, labor and costs. Call today. Thank you, Michael Czaplinski, Turf Feeding Systems.